Understanding Soil Structure, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and important topic in environmental science: soil structure. This concept is not only crucial for students of science but also for anyone interested in gardening, agriculture, or ecology. Let's dive into what soil structure means and why it's so important. Soil structure refers to the arrangement of soil particles, mainly sand, silt, and clay, and their organization into different patterns. These patterns, often called aggregates, determine how soil holds water, allows airflow, and supports plant roots. Good soil structure is essential for healthy plant growth and ecosystem balance. There are several types of soil structures, each with its own characteristics. The main types include 1. Granular or crumb, often found in the topsoil. This type is ideal for plant growth. 2. Blocky. These are block-like and can vary in size. 3. Platy. Layered structures, often found in compacted soils. 4. Columnar. These have a vertical axis and are found in arid climates. Understanding these types helps in identifying the soil in your area and its suitability for different purposes. Soil structure is influenced by various factors. Organic matter. This is key to forming good soil structure. Soil life. Earthworms and microbes play a significant role. Climate. Weather conditions affect soil formation and structure. Human activities, farming, construction, and other activities impact soil structure. Improving soil structure involves adding organic matter. Compost and manure help improve structure. Avoiding over-tilling. Tilling can destroy soil aggregates. Proper water management. Overwatering or underwatering affects soil structure. Understanding and maintaining good soil structure is vital for agriculture. It affects crop yield and health. Environmental health. Good soil supports ecosystems. Water management. It impacts water infiltration and retention. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of soil structure and its significance. Whether you're a student, gardener, farmer, or just someone curious about the environment, knowing about soil structure is incredibly valuable. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.